In this video, I'm going to review what it looks like in this theme deck. But this is opened already and I know what's inside. So let's get started anyway. So let's take a look inside what is inside. So here is the front cover. And this is a Sword and Shield theme deck. The list includes 60 card, 1 metallic coin, single player pavement, 1 deck box, damage counters, 1 rulebook, and 3 reference cards. 1 code card to play this online game. And each player must have 60 cards, and this is box. So let's look what looks inside. So here you have the 3 reference card, the code card, and just to tell you, at the front there's a plastic and you have a card, whatever you have, like stained glass, like the relay broom. I had a stained glass relay broom. And here are the damage counters, the metallic coin, and here's the Sword and Shield list. And then just to remind you, the star is the rare, the H and star is a holo rare, the star and U is an ultra rare, the and then the holo rare V is the star steel, holo rare V max, and this is what it looks like. And here's the back. And we have this guidebook. And here are the cards here. There are some cards here, new cards. And here is the game mat to play for the TCG game. And there's the rule here, and you can refer to the rule book. And here's the box. Let's take a look inside. Here's the box. Here are the cards. There will be repeat cards in here. There will be 1, 2 relay brooms, 3 tackies, 3 Grookey, 2 egg gloss, 4 gloss flower, and it goes on and on. So here are the cards. It will repeat. It will just repeat on and on and on and on and on these cards. And there's 60 cards here. So here are the energies and things, the cards. I just organized it. It's organized. It's not organized, but I organized it. So if you now, here are the cards. I thought I will show you a close-up of the items. So I'm gonna. This is the list, the 3 reference cards, and the rulebook. And this is the mat to play the TCG game, and the code card as always in every booster pack. And these, the metallic coin, and then the damage counters. And these are the cards we have. I'm not going to, it's just repeating, so I'm not going to show you them all. And that's all for today's video. Yep. That's all for today's video, and please like and subscribe to my channel as always. Bye for now.